Hazina uchapiga. Tuko siku ingine. Hey family, welcome to my channel. Today's video is starting at lunchtime. I'm actually about to cook lunch. Today the morning was quite slow. I wasn't feeling like shooting any videos. But here I am. I will take you along. Look at the water, guys. The water has been coming from the well ever since we connected it the other day. But the water pump, we don't let it sleep in the well because someone can come and take it. So we take it out in the morning and return it. We take it out in the evening and return it in the morning. So I'm preparing beans. These beans are so soft. Just when they come in contact with water, they instantly become soft. So we are eating beans for lunch. I think I've said this like a million times, but one of the greatest joys of living in the countryside is being able to observe nature and creatures, or should I call them wildlife, in their natural habitat. Like the village is so alive with so many creatures, big, small, and each of them is just following their own routines. Like here, I'm starting to notice things I never used to pay attention to, like tiny details, like how the wildflowers change with season, how bees work tirelessly from flower to flower. Oh my, it's humbling to witness this ecosystem. Also, another thing is the ability to eat food from the ground, food that is grown organically. There's been these white flies on these vegetables. I don't know what to do with them, guys. These white flies, they look like some things that are just destroying the vegetables, but we had to spray them. We had to spray them to hoping to get rid of them. I'll give you an update soon. We will be mixing Dietary and these greens. This is something we eat a lot here. We eat a lot of, like Mount Kenya people, we eat a lot of vegetables and a lot of cereals. That is our food, cereals and vegetables. And meat is just once in a while. Meat is not something we eat a lot as Mount Kenya people. I'm talking from experience because I'm a person who is born to two tribes of Mount Kenya. So it's like I've experienced the entire Mount Kenya. I know how each side lives. So I'm positive most Mount Kenya people don't eat meat. Cereals is our food. When it is not raining, it's like a daily routine to ensure that your veggies has water so that they can grow. But you don't even have to water them every day, just once in a while, maybe once in 2 days, as long as they're already healthy. So you can see my boyfriend putting water there. And on the other side, I'm not the one who cooks lunch, it's the house manager. I just helped to prepare and she cooked it. And after cooking lunch, we actually put water in the jiko to heat up, and the house manager showed me this trick. I don't have to keep going round with the jerry can. I can just do it at the window. Yeah, so let's serve the food, guys. This will be very delicious. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the fact that this chicken, they do not lay once in a day, not twice, maybe thrice. So many eggs. We had actually forgotten to take out the 12 p.m. eggs, and after setting up the lunch, my boyfriend reminded me, and here we are trying to pick the eggs, because if we don't pick the eggs, the chicken actually sometimes they can bite into them, and actually the chicken has been eating each other on their back. You see, like the chicken that lay eggs, they are so vulnerable, and we figured out maybe it's something to do with they're lacking something in their body, and we had to go to the, what are they called, the agrovet. We had to go to the agrovet and get some proteins and some supplements, and I'm giving you this update. The chicken are no longer eating each other. They're no longer eating the ones that are laying eggs. It was such a big loss, to be honest. Like, we were eating chicken almost every day till we were tired. Na ni mwerevu, unaona anakaa mali watu wako, hawezi enda huko. Haki watoto wanapenda kuishi kwa uchague the best kwa kulelea mtoto kama wewe. One thing about my mother-in-law, she's just like my grandma. They never rest. These people of this generation, they never rest. My mother-in-law, I think they're the same, around the same age with my grandma. And they're just the same character. So it's so easy for me. I know how to relate with her because I easily relate with my grandma as well. Like I understand where she's coming from. Right now, we actually came with some apple trees that we are about to plant, and she did not even ask us to come with these trees. But it's like we are so synchronized. We just knew she really needed them because when she saw them, she was very happy. And here we are, grounded, and we're going to plant apple trees, guys. I've never seen an apple tree. I just saw this man passing in the street and I was like, oh, you're selling apple trees. Let me just go and try them. And he gave me like 13 trees. 13 trees at a very, very cheap price, like a throwaway price. So I'm asking you guys, please pray for these apple trees because I need them to grow. I've never seen an apple on a tree and this is going to be my chance. Pray for me, pray for them. God bless these apple trees. May they grow to be healthy, very healthy, and bring a lot of apples and blessings to this home.
Usidunge tu utasikia mahali ni ngumu. Usione